This is the CS Pro Detailer. Now this product is perfect for using on stainless steel, windows, glass, GRP, painted surfaces, and it can be used both inside and outside. This product will effectively remove dust, fingerprints and water spots off all surfaces, meaning it is a great all-round product to use on your yacht. So rather than using more aggressive chemicals or even vinegar or other harsher chemicals, this is the perfect product for going around for cleaning and maintaining your gloss and protection. So why do people choose this over vinegar? They choose this mainly because of its pleasant smell, its effectiveness, because after all, using vinegar is going to make your yacht smell like a fish and chip shop. So we start off by applying the product to a clean microfiber cloth. Wipe on, turn our cloth and buff off.